back, always coming in last, bringing up the bass. No one owes you anything, I think. You need a shotgun blast, a kick in the ass, so paranoid. Watch your back!